Well, I'm back out at the cabin. Brought out my window coverings. The handle that I made didn't even make it all the way here. This was getting snagged on everything in the thick bush. Much more difficult than I imagined. Made sure I brought my bear spray with me, and I got my bear bells on my pack. And one of the other reasons why I came out today was to start bringing out supplies. It's all stuff I need to be more comfortable, or in case I get stranded out here, make my life easier. So I got this whistling kettle. That'll come in handy when I'm outside. I can hear when the water's boiling. Made a dish towel. Made a couple of storage bags, including this one here. Seasonings. I got a bunch of scented candles, which will be very nice because we have very little daylight during the winter. A lot of darkness, and instead of me wasting batteries in my flashlight trying to light the cabin, I have a lot of candles, and they all smell very nice. Bringing back this tin. This is where I burn all my candles in. It's got a reflective bottom to make it a little bit brighter. Some rope. I put sandpaper in my backpack. I don't remember why, but I grabbed it. And this Brita water filter. I think it's the right one I need for my jug. I'll have to check. This is one of the very few things I bought for the cabin, and it's made my life so much easier. During the winter, my main source of water is melted snow. And whenever we have a storm, all the needles and leaves, bark, pine cones, you name it, falls from the tree and lands in the snow. And it doesn't make for really good drinking water, so this has helped a lot. And what else we got in here? Ziploc bag. These are a bunch of seeds I collected. I want to spread them around the cabin, get things growing out here. I got tamarack seeds, spruce, all the seeds for my apples I collected, wild cucumber, raspberries, that really good variety of raspberry I have at home. I just dried them on paper towel. And I will tear some off and scatter them around. I also have a wild cucumber vine I want to plant. I want things that are going to keep the cabin hidden during the summer as much as possible. And finally, word search. Really good on those long nights. The nights do get very long around here sometimes. And that is everything I brought out with me today. I really hate clutter, and I have limited space at the cabin, so I really have to be mindful of what I bring out here. I'm not just bringing random things out here for fun. And usually once a year I go through the cabin, empty it all out, go through everything. Because I have a lot of storage underneath my bed, and I often forget what I have. And that was the right filter, so that's good. So the last little while I've been cleaning up the cabin, going through things. I moved all this firewood out of the way so I can get underneath the bed. And anytime I bring stuff out to the cabin, I try to bring stuff home as well. I hate clutter, but it's such a small space. But a couple pots, books, I'll probably replace those. I'm getting tired of those ones. And my window coverings are finally installed. They're not perfect, but I just used what I had. And I also have curtains to go in behind there as well. Mainly to keep out the cold on those really cold nights, and maybe a bear. And this is where my storage tent used to be. I planted pumpkins in here in the spring just to try to fill it in for now. And look at all those blooms. They're growing all the way over there even. It's pretty good. And this plant here, I think I know what it is, but I'm going to double check. That's pretty cool. And this is my storage tent. It's also my backup shelter in case something happens to the cabin. I moved it during the spring. It's much smaller than my other one. You can see my wood stove and a few things I have stored in here. My comfy chair. And I want to take this camouflage tarp and some wire and close off this opening. Figured I might as well do it now. We're not expecting any snow this September. We've been kind of warm actually. This whole summer we've been cold and now we're getting warm. Figure that. And I might as well give it one last spray before winter. Especially around the door. Those blowflies, they don't need a lot of space to get in. They like to hibernate in the walls during the winter. Well, I got a few more things to do around here, but I noticed my phone is almost dead and my charger is dead. I'm at 16%. So I'm gonna have to end this one here, and thanks for watching. And this is a lot of that deadfall I'm talking about. Just a big tangled mess. Like this is right on the ground, you can walk over it, but this you can't even get through at all. I also dug up a couple raspberries for home.